This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make L-Carnitine. Start by preparing clean work surfaces and gathering lysine, methionine, vitamin C, iron salts, and lab glassware. Maintain ventilation. Outline safe solvent choices and set pH controls, noting enzymatic conversion steps and temperatures. Emphasize sourcing reliable reagents and personal protective equipment before attempting any synthesis, and recommend consulting a qualified chemist for complex steps and scaling. Follow practical steps with a calm approach. Dissolve lysine in a buffer, then add methionine slowly while keeping pH stable and temperature moderate. These conditions favor initial reactions. Add small iron catalysts and coenzymes such as vitamin C to drive enzymatic-like transformations. Stir consistently and sample at intervals to check progress. If yields are low, adjust pH slightly or consult literature for optimized catalysts and safety precautions before repeating any step. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical chemistry guides. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof meal prep containers make carrying lunch or small reagents safe and tidy, and they seal better than flimsy bags, which is handy between lab sessions. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. After synthesis, purify patiently. Filter out solids, then use ion exchange resins or controlled crystallization to concentrate L-carnitine. These methods help separate salts and unreacted precursors. Dialysis and solvent exchanges can further refine purity for research use. Always validate the final product with appropriate analytical checks, such as chromatography or spectroscopy. Dispose of waste according to regulations, and keep solvent containers labeled clearly for safety and traceability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.